Welcome back everybody to another in-depth inspection video. In this video we're going to be taking a closer look at the beautifully illustrated Mega Abomasnow EX, designed by the people at 5-Band Graphics. And so far everything is looking pretty good. Edge is nice and sharp and no exposed paper fibers, no visible scratches on the surface. Now 5-Band Graphics is a subdivision of Creatures Inc., who are part owners of the entire Pokemon franchise. And here we ran into our first issue. Very slight but still visible exposed paper fibers. Bottom edge looks pretty good. And there's that Creatures Inc. on the bottom of the card. So 5-Band Graphics has illustrated some pretty valuable cards, like Dialga EX Secret Rare. And before I show you a couple more, I just want to point out the exposed fibers on the bottom left corner. 5-Band also illustrated this beautiful Mega Rayquaza EX. And in case you were wondering, the kanji in the center says Emerald Break. Just way cooler. This edge looks really sharp, absolutely gorgeous. Now the next part of the card is a little interesting, because it does look like there's edge whitening, but when the light hits it from a different angle, the edge flaw isn't nearly as visible. Alright, now let's see what the blacklight has to show us. Now just on its own, this card is extremely sparkly and has tons of holographic depth and 3D layers. And under the blacklight, you can really see all the intricate patterns and beautiful sparkles from the hologram. Yeah, baby! Kind of reminds me of the Matrix code. Now there are a couple more 5-Band Graphics cards I wanted to show, like this stunning Charizard GX that has a raw price of $525 and a recent sale of $1,400 for a PSA 10. Blacklight check looks good, on to the back. Now right here there seems to be some pretty clear edge whitening, but when we move up extremely close, it seems to disappear. Now just like the front, this edge looks really nice. No damage, no fibers, no whitening. Exactly what we're looking for when we put a card under the microscope. Now if you want to do a little more research on 5-Band Graphics, I'm going to leave a link in the description to their top 50 most valuable cards. If you're not doing much, it's definitely worth a look. Now at this angle you could kind of see an exposed fiber, but aside from that I'm surprised everything looks clean. Top right corner looks perfect, and I could definitely say the same for the top. Now let's give the back a quick look with the blacklight. Now here we're looking for any roller lines from the factory. That could be anything from one to multiple perfectly straight lines running in any direction. Don't see any of that here, just a little bit of dust. We're also looking for any small black dots or stains that might come out, maybe even oil from our fingers, but I don't see any of that here. Now even though this card is in really good condition, I don't think I'm going to send it to PSA just because of its low PSA 10 value. However, if enough people want, I could give this card away, along with every other card I don't send to PSA. You guys just let me know in the comments below. So that's it for this card. I really enjoyed making this video, and if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.